Meet the CTEK CS ONE Gen 2. Now with Wi-Fi connectivity, power always within reach. Inspired by the icons it charges, built for those looking for the ultimate charging performance. From advanced technology comes ease of use. Inside technology makes battery charging effortless, always adapting the charge to what the battery needs automatically. Smarter, sleeker, always connected. This is powerful simplicity, unmatched innovation. From perfect form comes elite performance. About the product, the CS ONE sets a new standard in battery charging, delivering elite performance yet powerful simplicity for those who demand the very best. Through its revolutionary polarity-free APTO technology, the CS ONE does all the thinking for you, automatically adapting its charge to what your battery needs. The Wi-Fi and Bluetooth-connected CTEK app unlocks advanced features and functionality, giving you full control of battery care when you want it. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the CTEK CS ONE Generation 2 battery clamps, user manual. How to use. First, connect the clamps to the vehicle's charging points or to the positive battery terminal and a ground point on the vehicle body. The CS ONE has polarity-free clamps when charging, so it doesn't matter which clamp you put on which charging point, though you might have noticed that the clamps are marked with a plus and a minus. That is specifically for the supply and wake-up mode, where the polarity-free function is temporarily disabled. Make sure to follow the instructions in the app when using these modes. Plug the CS ONE into a power outlet. The CS ONE's built-in APTO technology will now analyze the battery and adapt the charging to the battery's type, size, and condition, along with the ambient temperature. If the start LED shows a steady white light, the battery is charged enough to start the vehicle. If you keep charging, the CS ONE will show you how many hours are left until the battery is fully charged. Once the battery is fully charged, the whole LED circle will pulse, and the CS ONE can be left connected to the battery for a long period of time and automatically switch into maintenance mode without overcharging the battery. App control. Just go to Google Play or App Store, search for CTEK app, and download it to your smartphone. If this is the first time you've used the app, click on Sign Up and create your account. If you've already got an account, just sign in as normal. Once you've done that, power up your CS ONE, and you will see two flashing blue LEDs on the display. Within the app, press the plus graphic to add the CS ONE to the product list, and it will search for the new charger. Once the app has found the charger, you will need to accept a message that asks if you want to connect via Bluetooth. You will need to click on the Approve button. After you have done this, you can choose to name the charger. Here I'm calling it CS ONE. Then simply press Save to add it to the product list. Now every time you use the CS ONE, the app will recognize the charger and automatically connect, provided the app is open and you are within Bluetooth range. If there's an exclamation mark in the top right-hand corner, it means there's a firmware update available. Please click on the exclamation mark to automatically download this update. You will need to be in Bluetooth range to do this. Adaptive charging on the My Charger page. APTO adaptive charging will be pre-selected, so if you just want to charge, simply attach the clamps to the vehicle charging points and you're good to go. The app will then show you how long there is to go until your battery is fully charged. You can also adjust the brightness of the LEDs using the slider on this page. In the advanced settings, you can select Show Session Details to view real-time voltage and amperage being delivered by the CS ONE. The app also helps you to unlock some great additional features. You can choose Wake Up for lithium batteries with undervoltage protection or to bring deeply discharged lead-acid batteries back to life. When the Wake Up mode has finished, the APTO adaptive charging program will start automatically. The second additional function is the Recon mode if your 12-volt lead-acid battery needs restoring or reconditioning. This mode should only be used with 12-volt lead-acid wet and calcium batteries. You can also turn your CS ONE into a 12-volt supply. Specifications. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.